Welcome to Eco Tips and Designs, your go-to source for smart construction tips, creative DIY ideas, and practical engineering insights. Whether you're a builder, designer, or just curious, there's something here for you.
In today's video, I will take you through how I made this beautiful photo enlargement. First, I'll have to service or check my equipment. I'll check my drill, I'll check my cutting machine, and then I'll move on to the main business for the day. I take measurement of the length of my frame on both the height and the width. Then I use a square to mark it out before I cut to ensure proper 90 degrees are cut. And then I cut out the 4 corners you can see. Then I mark out 45 degrees from the edge of both sides of my wood I will use for my frame. I will repeat same for every other wood, and then I cut it out. As you can see, I have 4 pieces, all cut out carefully and smoothly. You can see how accurate the corners are. They are 90 degrees, very smooth. I'll use a long screw, a 2-inch screw, to hold it on both sides. Then I mark out the point at which I would like my screw to pass for accuracy and precision. You can see my frame is now looking good. Next, I'll go into Photoshop, edit my pictures, and then print them out and laminate. I'll mark out the center points for every corner to get better precision when placing my laminated enlarged photograph. Then I do the same thing to the photograph. I mark out the center point for each side so that I can match them together with the frame. Now you can see I have to match them together with the frame, the center points, and then use my stapling machine, staple gun, to hold it in place. Remember, I didn't just use the printed photograph. It's laminated, so it has this film on the surface, waterproof like film, and makes it flexible. That's why you can see the picture is not tearing out. I fold the edges smoothly and then I staple it. By the way, I create interesting videos like this and engineering videos also. If this is a place where you would love to visit the second time, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates when I make a video. Now I have to use an insulation tape to seal the edges all around the frame. This is going to make it have a very beautiful dark end finishing. I have to make it double to ensure it covers all through. You'll see the effect after this. You see, just take a look. Look closely. See how the end looks. It's no longer looking like there is anything in it. You can see how smooth and beautiful it looks. Now I have to put my hanger. Remember, this is a DIY project. I'm using only things I have in my workshop or my room. So I'll just pick a wire, roll it, and then use that to make my hanger. I'll staple it and use the hammer to reinforce it to make it go in properly, and then there you have it. I have this beautiful photo enlarged. It's simple and you can use it to create larger. Bye for now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you.